I think I need a haircut. And my beard needs grooming too. Hi, my name is Victor Bart. Welcome to Retro Machines, and sometimes things don't go to plan. This video is sponsored by my long-term sponsor PCBWay. If you want your circuit boards designed, realized and printed, you should check out PCBWay. Starting prices as low as $5 for a 1 or 2 layer design. Place your order now, links in the description. I'm trying to build this Q6600 build, and let's give you a sneak peek. And I drop already a screwdriver because it's chaos here. So I'm trying to build this machine for 1 month or more, and it doesn't go to plan. I have a Q6600 with a cooler master cooler, and Patriot SSD, an Nvidia Quadro FX 3800 on an Asus ROG board. Only the Asus ROG board doesn't like my CR2032 batteries, and it keeps resetting the BIOS settings, and I can overclock this like 50%, but it keeps forgetting the settings. So I need to get new batteries, and I want to get this video out this month, and it's already getting to the end of the month. So yeah, I need to probably go to the IKEA and get new batteries, and I hope that it doesn't is a problem with the motherboard, because this motherboard is pretty cool and I run 16 GB of memory in it, so I need Windows XP 64-bit. I think that's the best for this machine, and I installed it when the BIOS was set to 2002, and then I set it to 2023, and I have an official list here with official keys, and I got a pop-up with activation and stuff like that, because I tried to keep it legal, but that also doesn't work. And this machine has an a floppy drive memory card combo, and that took the drive letter C, D and something, so Windows is now installed on F. So I need to reinstall Windows to get on C and disconnected that drive. So yeah, everything goes according to plan. So that's why I'm making this small update. And also, as you can see, my studio is in chaos. I have too much stuff here. I need to get rid of this machine of my brother, the server and the Sun monitor, and probably the compact server also needs to go to storage, because it just takes too much room, and then this studio becomes smaller and smaller and harder to make videos. And my home lab is running great, and the switch upgrade of the HP switch with the 10 gig modules is awesome. It works really well. So my MikroTik in the rear is off for now. Maybe in the future I put it back on. Also, the One U pfSense box is just running great, and I just need to work on the Alchemy machines again and restore this one. But yeah, time, that's the hardest issue right now. And I've good news. YouTube finally fixed my monetization after 2.5 years. It took more than 2 years before they fixed the problem that I had ads running again, and then I had the issue that AdSense was not getting the amount out of YouTube, and so more emails back and forward, and I finally got my first payment after 2.5 years. I'm still missing 300 to 400 euros of earlier months, so I hope they can fix that. So I need to email more, and I took like 50 emails and so much headaches, but I got a payment again, so that's a big relief. So with that money I can buy more stuff for machines like this, like the cooler and the SSD, and and just make cool projects. So also, if you like that, you can support me on Patreon for $1 a month, and then you can also get access to my Discord server and chat, and so that also helps with funding the projects like this, because this SSD is paid by my Patreons. Also the cooler is paid by my Patreons, but also with the YouTube money now we have some more budget for cooler projects. That's always a win. And I sold a computer case and it's here. So let me show you. This is the Cooler Master ATC 201, and in my opinion this is the best computer case that is ever made, and they made it in the year 2000. It's fully aluminium, and this one is in a really good shape and all original. All the drive bay covers are in, the mesh is nice, the USB is in, the power buttons, LEDs, everything is working. The side panels are not bent, they are like little tiny scratches, but in general it looks really good. And also the inside is original with the PC speaker, the fans and the cable for the USB, and also on the rear the frame for the power supply is in, and the thumb screws. It's just, yeah, it's an amazing case and I really love to build in it, but I sold it, and I will not tell you to where I sold it, but you will see it probably back on YouTube someday or in the future. So yeah, I need to pack this up because it needs to go somewhere else, and I don't gonna say where, because yeah, let's keep it a secret. But if that video is done, I will share it, of course, and maybe make a reaction video on it. Yeah, let's do a reaction video when this case shows up again somewhere in this world. I found an issue with this case. The fans are not original. They are not from Cooler Master. So not sure if there's a problem, but I think if the brand is Pabst, I think it's even better than Cooler Master. And another cool detail of this case is you see here some scratches of screws of the hard drives. That's normal by cases. But 1, 2, 3, 4 hard drives were installed. There was a floppy drive installed. There was a drive installed here. There was a drive installed here. And those 2 drive bays doesn't have scratches. So at least 4 hard drives, a floppy drive and 2 CD-ROM players. So this case was probably from an enthusiastic computer nerd. With a silver case you need a silver floppy drive. So I gonna add this as a bonus. So let's see if I can just put it in the plastic. Ah, that works. So the floppy drive is mounted safe for shipping. I'm gonna add a little Easter egg to this case, and rumor has it that Sweden is flooded with this 3DFX sticker. Every cool computer geek in Sweden has this on his case. I don't know why, but probably someone spent this a few years ago on a LAN party. So yeah, let's add this sticker here. We maybe see it back in the future. That would be really funny. But I think they're just gonna remove it. But I just hope they don't do that. Probably I will put extra stickers in the package so they have spares. So if it falls off they can replace it. So now you have a little insight of the chaos that is making YouTube videos. And also I work now 5 days a week again by another job, and long days, it's good for the money, but less good for the spare time. But my weekends I have always now off, so that's good. But I also working on my Unimog a lot and work on the electric installation and the walls. And if you like that, check out my Unimog channel, because then you have more videos of me doing things and completely different topics than this. So yeah, check it out. And also, if you like to support me, go to Patreon and get access to my Discord server and use my Amazon affiliated links. For example, you can pick up this cooler and this cheap SSD. But I'm not sure how good that SSD is, because I just only installed one Windows XP on it. So yeah, thanks for watching.